we don't actually know how big the universe is because we're limited in what we can actually see of the universe. So in order for us to see something, the light from it has to get to us. So I can look over there and see that tree. And so the way that I'm seeing it is that light's coming from that massive star right there, that beautiful thing. It's coming down, it's hitting that tree, it's bouncing off of the tree, and then the light comes and literally goes inside of my eyes in order for me to see it. So when we're looking at the universe, we're doing the same thing, except we're using telescopes instead of our eyes directly. So we may be looking at something that the light is bouncing off of, like, say, well, the light goes from that sun to Jupiter, bounces off of Jupiter, comes back and goes into the light of our telescopes. Or we might be looking directly at that with a telescope or any other star or galaxy way in the distance. Now, here's the thing. Light isn't instantaneous. For human purposes here on Earth, we might as well think about it as instantaneous. But it does have a speed limit that it seems to obey in a vacuum, right? There is a limit to how fast it seems like light can actually travel or propagate through space, and we call that the speed of light, or sometimes you'll hear it called the speed of causality, which personally I like because it's not just light that travels at that speed, it's any other massless thing like gluons and stuff like that. Okay, so light, let's say there's a star in the distance, like Proxima Centauri, which is about 4 light years away. Means that the light that we see from it today left it 4 years ago. Okay, well, let's extend that even further. So there's, as I was saying before, a limit to what we can see because of the amount of time there has been for the light to get to us. So our best estimates right now is that the universe is a bit under 14 billion years. So there's light way out there that's been traveling that long to actually get to us. Now, every year, a little bit more light, just a little bit further away, can have gotten to us. So yes, our observable universe is expanding. But we start to get into some really tricky things because not only is the observable universe expanding because of the amount of light getting to us, but also the universe itself is expanding. So there are areas in the universe that are moving away from us so quickly that the light being released from them right now never will get to us.